2025 Prelim TNS School Paper 2, Question 4. Siti had 35 marbles and Ted had more marbles than her. After giving Siti M marbles, Ted had 20 more marbles than Siti. How many marbles did Ted have at first? Give your answer in terms of M in the simplest form. Okay, we have Siti, we have Ted. Siti had 35 marbles. 35. Ted had more marbles than her. Okay, let's draw a longer bar for Ted. After giving Siti M marbles, Ted had 20 more than Siti. Alright, let's cut out M. Okay, and we'll give it to Siti. M. This is given away, right? After giving away, Ted had 20 more than Siti. So this little part here is 20. And then we can project this down. We know this is M. We know this is 35. Alright, so what's the question asking for? How many marbles did Ted have at first? Ted at first. Do we count in the M that's been crossed out? Yes, we do. This is what Ted had at first before giving to Siti. Alright, so our answer should be 35 plus M plus 20 plus M. This is what Ted had at first. Okay, we should work out to 55 plus 2M. Okay, this is our answer, 55 plus 2M.